The sweet potatoes have gone wild in this area. Just gonna hack a straight line, see if I can find the path where it used to be. That's close to a straight line. So these purple leaved sweet potatoes really took off. They're only maybe 4 months old, 4 months since I planted them. And besides being beautiful, one thing that I really like about them is that the rabbits don't eat them. For some reason, the rabbits don't like the color purple. They don't eat these purple leaved sweet potatoes, and they don't eat the variety that I have that makes a purple tuber. They've pretty much eaten all the orange tubered sweet potatoes. I don't think I have any of those left, but they don't eat the purple ones. Here's a winged bean, big one. So I like to throw seeds around and see what grows. But one major disadvantage of that is that you don't know where things are growing necessarily. So when you come out here to harvest, sometimes it's like foraging, which is kind of fun. But at the same time, it would be nice to know exactly where everything's planted. That's not going to change how I do things though. Okay, so when we get over here by this pine tree, I'm going to do something a little different. There's the winged bean. So I'm going to hack along here on the other side of the path next to the pine tree. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a load of mulch and just lay the mulch down on the edge of the path by the pine tree on top of the sweet potatoes that are over there. Because when I do that, the sweet potatoes will root underneath that mulch and they'll keep growing that way. I think it looks pretty cool the way they're bunching up on that pine tree. Some of them might start actually climbing the pine tree. All these vines are going to get cut up into really tiny pieces, 1 or 2 nodes each, and I'm going to plant them all over the place in areas that are kind of part of the jungle on the outskirts of my property. By the way, if you were looking to maximize sweet potato harvest, you could do something like this. I know over there, I planted one plant of the purple leaf kind. I planted one plant of the purple leaf variety. Now it's going all over the place, 20, 30 feet away. So what I should do, maybe I'll make a video of this, is cut around in a circle a few feet away so that the tubers in the original plant can get big and fat. We're not sharing energy with all the tubers all over the yard, all over the food forest. I could do that every 3 feet. We'll have hundreds and hundreds of new plants instead of one giant plant. I've restored the paths in the food forest. This is a quick walkthrough. This is also a test of my new gimbal and my new walking technique to try to stabilize the video. Whoa, what is that? Hold on a sec. Look at that yellow caterpillar. Never seen that before. No more sweet potato vines. in the path. I see something else interesting. What in the heck? This is a Florida King peach that lost all of its leaves from Hurricane Ian. It has little buds. It looks like the leaves are going to grow back, but here's something very unexpected. It has a little flower bud. No leaves, but a little flower bud. Unbelievable. Anyway, path goes that way. I forgot to show you the pine tree. So I haven't put down the mulch yet, but my plan is to put some mulch around the edge of the sweet potatoes. The sweet potato vines will root and grow from there. That's where we just were. Path looks so much better. This is my little cut-through path that I didn't clear. I'm not going to clear it. Got a path underneath the oak tree. Quick little side note. Some butterfly pea flowers blooming. Nice wide path. Beautiful path. Path back to the banana jungle and to the edge of the food forest where I've been doing seed bombs. This is the spot right here. The African potato mint. One of the many little African potato mint patches. Right in front of me is the pile of sweet potato vines that I'm going to make slips out of. Here's the path under the oak tree from the other side. I'll probably put down some pine and oak branches to make a border along here. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.